Hey, I was thinking about something my old chiropractor told me. I thought I'd tell you about it. Now, this dude is not a hobbyist. He's a five-time Ironman competitor. He trained in the heat and ocean winds, competing across hours where most people wouldn't even last 5 minutes. Now, I used to see him for adjustments back when he lived here, and he moved to United Emirates, dang it. And one day after a session, I was asking him about the type of clients that he works with because he trains people for ultra endurance and triathlons, stuff that really pushes your body past where it's ever gone before. And he said something that stuck. And he said, when somebody comes in for that kind of work, he goes, great, let's go for a run. And then he'd ask them to double their mileage max. Now, he didn't schedule or anything, no build up. They just started from where they were and added everything in that they thought was out of reach. Lace up, step forward, go double. And the really crazy part was they could do it because the limits that they believed in were not structural, they were practiced. Now, this got me thinking. What else works like that? What else have you been repeating without testing, without is your income setting at a cap that you never question? Or maybe because your parents, never made that much money? What if your strength stopped increasing because you memorized a number, not maxing out? What if that feeling of being stuck isn't being stuck at all? It's just familiar. Or what if your plateau, that chronic stuff, that thing that flares up whenever you're overwhelmed, is just running an old loop and you haven't been shown how to exit? What if healing isn't locked away? It's just somewhere you haven't gone before. So I want you to kind of think about this. Here's kind of a belief change mantra that I'd like you to try. Say it like you mean it. I can always go double because the limit that was installed was accidental and I'm allowed to uninstall it. I could always go double because the limit that was installed was accidental and I'm allowed to uninstall it. Just let that run through your breath. Let it run through your spine, right through that edge that you thought was solid. And I'd like you to try this daily for a week and let me know how things are different. Stay with this until your nervous system updates the map. Now, if you want help with that, or if you're serious about finding your edge and stepping past it, then just book a free game plan chat with me. It's one conversation that shows you exactly where your threshold is and what it would take to move through it. You pick a topic, I'll bring the map, and hey, it's free. I'll talk to you soon.